This is the fourth episode, and here we'll display the data. First, open the code editor, and we will use the same component we created in our previous session. On top, let's create the data object. First, we will create the title property, and in the value, we'll use the same title, Welcome to React. Then let's use the description property, and again we will copy the same description we have used. Then finally we will add the image property, and here we will show the placeholder image. So go back to the browser, open new tab and search placeholder image. You can then copy the link of the image and paste it over here. 150 is size of the image. I want the small one, so let's just use 80. Once your data is ready, to access the title, we can simply use data.title under the curly braces. Likewise, to access the description, we can use data.description. We also need to use the image, so just after this box div, add a new div with the class image. We can then use the img tag for the image. Let's use src attribute. To access image, we can use data.image. Let's also use the alt attribute. Here we will show the title, so add data.title. Once done, check the preview, and now we can see image and all this content. Great! This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll work on conditional rendering. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you.